Hey there friends, yesterday I showed you the Engrave laser engraver cutting some cardboard. Today, let's see what it does cutting some wood. I mentioned earlier that I have got a glow forge, and this is a glow forge project where I just added some words and a little picture and we cut it out. So what I want to do right now is on this piece of wood, see if I can engrave the back. Now here you can see I had the settings way too high on my glow forge when I was just learning. Don't think it's going to be possible to set these settings too high, and I don't even really think it's a fair fight because this has 1 watt of power and the Glowforge has 60. But let's see what we can do with a little bit of wood. Alright, so we're going to try a couple things here. I've got a couple pieces of cardboard holding the little piece in place because it didn't quite fit the rubber bands. You can see I've got center set up on the keychain, so I think that's going to be fine. Now I just got to take the software and get it so that it rotates the little image I'm going to try and cut on this piece of wood so it looks the way I want. Alright, so you can see here I've launched the software. It starts in the home. It's got all kinds of cool tips you can read here if you need. Photo gallery is all the material they have, which I've showed you before you can switch to. Interesting. All kinds of NBA players. I'm instead gonna switch to the control, and you can grab an image you think is cool and drop it here. So I'm gonna grab this little smiling thumb emoji and drop it on. Notice it's gonna be all of that black with the face in the middle not being cut out. If you switch to effect B, it does a different version. I don't think I really want all that black, so I'm gonna hit clear. And I'm going to try the thinking face emoji instead. Still quite a bit of black. I'm going to go back to Effect A. You know what? I'll go with it. But instead of 36 millimeters wide, I'm going to make mine tiny. I'm going to switch it to 15 millimeters wide and tell it OK. So that way it's smaller. You can move it with the arrow keys where you want, or you can just grab and move it where you want. You can add words. I'm going to put huh with a question mark. I'm going to pick my font. When you go down through the list, you just find the one that you think is cool. Pick a size and tell it OK. And then you do have to hit insert text. And then it drops it on. So now I've got my 2 pieces built in. I'm going to tell it that I want to do 3 times on this small little burn. And instead of the burning time of 13 milliseconds, I'm going to burn it even longer. I'm going to go all the way to 35 milliseconds. Oh, you know what? Just a reminder, my project is rotated. There is nowhere to rotate this so that you can do it on a different direction. So I'm going to have to just run it like this and find out if it works, and that'll be the test. Let's hit start and see what we get. Alright, you, on the other half of this video, can't smell the wood burning, but I can. So right now, so far, I'm going to say, hey, we can burn wood. And here comes the image. Number 2 of 3. You can see that it is totally carving in, and the design is looking pretty sweet. If I wanted, I could hit cancel, but I think I'm going to let it run. It's wrapped up. So let's see what we built. It actually does go down in, so there actually is depth to this one, and a little bit of black comes off, but not a lot. So a $100 engraving machine actually etched similar to the Glowforge. Just the difference was this is about 4 minutes and this was probably 50. But hey, it's workable. So friends, I'm going to see if I can find some other software that we can use this with. Maybe that'll let us rotate, because that would have been cooler for my keychain if I could have got the HUD to line up the right way. But hey, it was a good test. So there you have it, friends, a $100 laser that can engrave wood. So friends, if you found this movie useful, please hammer that like button. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. If you've got a question or a comment, add it down below. And click that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when I make a brand new movie. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends.